This is Mike, my cameraman, and yesterday he slept through 350 on a lottery ticket. Mike, where was your brain?
I don't know.
Alright, Mike, I'm getting your 350 back right now and making myself a couple of thousands using my proven strategy. Hey everyone, my name is Nathan. I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience. Throughout my career, I've made over 600,000 trades, and my strategies have helped over 21,000 people start getting rewards from trading. Today, Mike and I have a mission. Not only to return his lost savings, but also to show you how one of my most powerful strategies works. And I will explain it so simply that even an absolute beginner can follow my steps and achieve the same results. If you are ready to learn about a strategy that can change your way of thinking about finance, make sure to watch this video until the end. Listen to me carefully before we begin. Right now, you are at the crossroads, a decision that could open the door to entirely new opportunities. I've built a Telegram community where I personally mentor every member and provide the simplest yet most powerful tool, my live trading sessions. Over 21,000 people are already part of my trading club, and this isn't just talk. Here are my daily notifications, and here are the real testimonials from members. These people started from zero and are now seeing the real success in trading. And now you have that same opportunity, an opportunity that many never get. You can either keep watching others succeed, or you can finally take your first step and become part of our community. Think about it. Where do you want to be in a month? In a year? Everything starts with one action. I'm giving you this proven tool completely for free. No tricks, no empty promises. All you need to do is simply make a decision. I've left the link to my Telegram community just for you in the description and the pinned comment under this video. So, pause the video right now, click the link and join us. Every second you wait is an opportunity lost. Make the decision and start your trading journey today. I'll be waiting for you in Telegram to show you that you are capable of much more. Let's get to trading. Today I'm starting with the minimum, just 2. As usual, I begin by selecting currency pairs. Let's go with this one. Perfect. Now let's set up the indicators. Today I'm using MACD and Stochastic. Nothing complicated. These tools just help see things that aren't always obvious on the chart. MACD, for example, shows the strength of a trend and potential reversals. Stochastic, on the other hand, tells us where the price is either too high or too low. That's the simplest way to explain it. Alright, a few more tweaks to make everything clear. Alright, I'm all set, everything is configured, it's time for my strategy. Let's check out for the first pair. I see a strong resistance level where the price has bounced off before. This means a lot of sellers here, making it hard for the price to break through. I also noticed a divergence on MACD and Stochastic. While the price reached a new high, the indicators show that buyers are losing strength. All signs point to a potential drop, so going down. A solid start, friends. Let's keep going. Alright, let's see what's happening with other pairs. Let's check out Canadian and Japanese. I'm setting it at 3. The price has just hit a new high, but the indicators aren't confirming the buyer's strength. Stochastic is in the overbought zone, signaling a possible reversal or downward correction. Meanwhile, MACD's histogram bars barely increased, even though the price made a sharp upward move. This means buyers tried to push the price up, but they didn't have enough strength to hold it there. The market is weakening and there is a high probability it will go down. Let's take action. Exactly as expected, friends. So far the numbers are small, but let's keep moving forward. Alright, here we have a situation where after a long uptrend, the price has entered a sideways range. This signals that buyers are slowing down. The indicator confirms the reversal. MACD's histogram is decreasing and its lines are pointing downward. Stochastic is exiting the overbought zone, suggesting a possible drop. So I'm going down, expecting the price to continue downward after this accumulation phase. Let's see how it plays out. Perfect. Our calculations were spot on. Moving on to the next pair. Alright, let's pause here. So in this case, I see that the trend has shifted to an uptrend, but we're currently in pullback. The indicators confirm the movement. MACD and stochastic both turned earlier, signaling a trend reversal. The price bounced off a local support level, indicating strong buying pressure. Stochastic hasn't yet reached the overbought zone, meaning there is still room for upward movement. So I'm going up. Amazing, friends! I love this takeoff. Do you know what separates successful people from those who stay on the sidelines? It's not money, not connections, not luck. It is the ability to take action fast, while others are still hesitating. If you want to know how I built my life from scratch and achieved what I have today, and more importantly, how you can do it in a fraction of time, then I have one clear solution for you: my private Telegram community. This is a place for those who are truly ready to move forward. Inside you will get everything: proven strategies, precise step-by-step instructions, and real support to help you see your first results starting today. Yes, you heard it right. Today. This is more than just a community. It is access to what I can share on YouTube. It is access to my personal system that has helped thousands turn things around. But there is one catch. Access is limited. Right now you have the chance to join. The link is in the description and pinned comment below this video. Stop waiting. The longer you delay, the further away your dream becomes. Act now before this opportunity closes. See you in the community. Let's keep going. Checking the charts. Look, after an uptrend, we're seeing the beginning of a reversal. The indicators confirm the decline. MACD show its lines turning downward and the histogram bars are shrinking. Stochastic is also pointing down, signaling weakening buyers. All signs indicate a shift in direction. We're going down. Another positive result. I'm really getting into the flow now. Nothing is stopping me, friends. Alright, let's focus on this pair. The price continued to rise as expected, but now we're seeing signs of a potential pullback. Noticing a divergence on stochastic. The price made a new high, but the indicator didn't confirm the move. This signals weakening momentum. Stochastic has been in the overbought zone for a while, suggesting the market is overheating. Since the last peak, the price has moved over 200, yet stochastic failed to make a new high, further increasing the chances of pullback. I think a correction is about to start. Let's take actions. Once again, market analysis proved to be right, up by 61. Let's keep going, my friends. Let's take a look here. The correction to the uptrend has ended and the market is ready to resume its growth. Checking the indicators, stochastic has turned upward and the lines are confidently pointing up, indicating that buying strength is recovering. MACD is also showing a shift in direction. The blue line is about to cross the pink line from below, which is a clear sign of an uptrend continuation. All signals pointing to further upward movement. So it's time to take off again. And once again, we're in the green. Fantastic, my friends. Let's keep going. Let's check this chart. After our last trade, a reversal happened and the price dropped significantly. Here's what stands out. Stochastic has been in the oversold zone for a long time, indicating that the market is overloaded with selling and is ready for a correction. The price has stopped declining and started consolidating. This suggests that sellers are losing strength and the market is reaching for support. MACD confirms the weakening downtrend. Its histogram bars are decreasing and the lines are starting to turn. Stochastic also signals a trend shift, pointing to a possible rally. So we keep moving up. Awesome! Nailed it again. 8 years of hard work have definitely paid off. What do we have here? Alright, I see a classic triple top pattern, which signals weakening buyers. The price tested the high 3 times but failed to break through, indicating strong resistance. MACD is showing divergence. The histogram bars are turning downward, even though the price attempted to push higher. This signals a weakening trend. Stochastic confirms the divergence as well. The price is still rising, but the indicator is already trending down, pointing to a potential reversal. So I'm going down. Awesome! Look at our results now. And we started with just 2, remember? Let's go for big now. Let's pause here. After a strong rally, the price has entered a consolidation phase, meaning the market is pausing and getting ready for its next move. MACD and Stochastic have already turned downward, signaling weakening buyers. The price is testing an upper boundary of the range, but is failing to break through. So I'm going down, as the market is showing signs of a pullback from this resistance level. That's 825 in a bag. Alright friends, now more than ever I want to keep trading because I have full confidence in my strategy. One more time, we're at the finish line. Let's take a look. After an upward move, a double top has formed, with divergence between the peaks. This indicates that buyers are losing strength and the market is preparing for a drop. What do the indicators tell us? MACD shows shrinking histogram bars and its lines are pointing downward. Stochastic is also signaling a reversal, so it exits the overbought zone. All the conditions of my strategy are in place, so I'm confidently going down. Perfect! Look at our final result. I have never had a doubt about the strategy. It works like a clockwork. Now you've seen for yourself, the greatest strategies are often the simplest. You don't need to reinvent the wheel or try to figure out trading on your own from scratch. I've already done the hard work. I've built a step-by-step system that delivers real results. And right now you have the chance to be part of it. Listen, success doesn't come to those who wait or hesitate. Success comes to those who take action fast. Inside my Telegram community, there are thousands of people just like you. People who once made the right decision to start and now see real results every single day. I can guarantee that by taking this step, you'll already be several levels ahead of where you were yesterday. Because inside this community, we don't just talk about getting returns, we actually make it. But here's the deal. Access is limited. Why? Because I personally work with every single member to ensure they see results. And once we hit our limit, I will close access. So it is up to you. Will you stay a spectator or finally take the first step toward your perfect life? Time won't wait. Click the link in the description and pinned comment right now and start working on your success with me. I'll be waiting for you in Telegram. This is just the beginning. See you there.